Equipment Assembly Test. This is the equipment assembly test. In order to complete the test successfully, you will need to combine good manual dexterity and follow instructions. You will need to assemble and disassemble the equipment in the correct order as described. This test is timed and you have 5 minutes and 8 seconds to fully complete the test. My colleague will now demonstrate the assembly and disassembly of the unit, providing a commentary as I go. You should stand upright facing the bench. Pick up parts 1 and 2 and screw part 2 into the base plate. Screw part 3 onto the thread of part 2. Screw the larger ring of part 4 onto the top of part 3. Beware the cross threading of part 4. Screw part 5 onto the top of part 3. Put part 6 through the small ring of part 4 with the 3 holes close together at the top. Slide part 7 over the top of part 6. Rest it on the top of part 5. Push part 8 through the hole of the side of part 7, passing through the bottom of the hole in part 6. Screw part 9 onto the top of part 6. Attach the end of part 10 to the attachment of the bottom of part 3. Once the unit has been assembled as per the instructions and the diagram, your total assembly will be noted. If any mistakes have been identified by the assessors, you will be given 1 prompt and they may refer you to the diagram. You will now be ready to dismantle upon the instructions of go, when you will start disassembling the unit in reverse order, placing each item back on the board in the designated position. Once you have completed the disassembly, you will be told stop and your time will be recorded. All threads should be left finger tight. Upon tightening down of the threads, you may have to release slightly to align the parts as in the diagrams and pictures shown. Do you understand the test? Do you have any questions? Please give me your name and candidate number. You will now carry out the test. Disassemble. Stop.